Hi, good morning students. Welcome to this class. This is class 10th, chapter number 8 trigonometry and lecture number 2. So, in last lecture we had already discussed about the trigonometric ratios and today we are going to discuss exercise 8.1 and then after next topic. So, first let's begin exercise 8.1. So the first question in this exercise is, in triangle ABC, the first question is exercise 8.1. Question number 1 is, in triangle ABC, right angle at B. In triangle ABC, which is right angle at B, A, B, C, which is right angled at B, we have AB is equal to 24 centimeter, BC is equals to 7 centimeter. Then find the value of sin A, cos A, sin C, cos C. So, in both the part, one question I have to solve. So, see, first of all, we use Pythagoras theorem. Then AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. This is 24 square, this is 7 square, this is AC square. So AC square is nothing but 24 is whole square, that means this is 5, 4, 4 4s are 24 into 24, 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 9, then 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 6, 9 is 17, 576 plus 49, and this is 625. So AC square is nothing but 625. So AC is what? AC is nothing but square root of 625. So AC is 25. So this side is nothing but 25. Okay. Now we have to find here first question, sin A and cos A. See, sin A comma cos A, that means both are the separate. And second question, sin C comma cos C. So first we find sin A. When we consider angle A, then this is the angle A, then this is the perpendicular and this is base. So sin A is nothing but perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So 7 by 25. But if you want to find sin C, then sin C is nothing but, then this is the angle of consideration and this is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse. So 24 upon 25. Okay. So please solve it. So I hope are you completed this. So next question is in figure 8.13. So see in figure 8.13, find tan p minus cot r. 8.13, there is a figure PQR. This is P, Q, R. This is 12 centimeter. This is 13 centimeter. 12 centimeter, 13 centimeter. We have to find here tan P minus cot R. Tan P minus cot R. We need to find tan P minus cot R. So first of all, using Pythagoras and find this one. So in triangle PQR, PQ square plus QR square is equal to PR square. So PQ square is nothing but 12 square. QR square we need to find. PR square 13 square. So QR square is nothing but 13 square minus 12 square. This is QR square. 169 minus 144. So this is 25 QR square. So QR is nothing but 5. So this is 5 centimeter. Now we find tan P. Tan P, when we need find tan P, then this is the angle of consideration, and for this perpendicular is this and base is this. So tan P is 5 by 12. And now cot R, this is the angle of consideration, and when we find tan cot R, then this is the perpendicular, this is the base. So cot R is nothing but base upon perpendicular. So this is also 5 by 12. Now tan P minus cot R, this is 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12, and this must be 0. So note it down fast. So I hope are you completed this one. Now next question is question number 3. This is very easy, so you can solve. Now question number 4. This is also easy. So but I can solve it, no problem. Question number 4. Given that 15 cot A given that 15 cot A is equal to 8, Question number 4. 15 cot A is equal to 4. Then find sin A and sec A. Then find sin A and sec A. So solution, 15 cot A is equal to 4. So cot A, this is nothing but 4 by 15. And if we draw a triangle ABC, then cot A is nothing but 4 by 15. So cot A is base upon perpendicular. So this is 4 by 15. Now find AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. So AC square is nothing but AB. AB is 4 square plus 15 square. So AC square is nothing but 4 just 16 plus 15 15 ja 225. Okay. So this is 5 6 1 2 and 3 4, and this is 241. So AC is nothing but square root of 241. Okay. So this is maybe 15 cot A is equal to 8. Sorry, this is 8. This is 8. This is 8 whole square. Then this is 64. This is 289. And this is nothing but AC 17. This because of this is square root of 289 is 17. Now whatever you find, you can find. Then sin A, you need to find sin A. Then sin A you know very well. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse, so 15 by 17. So in this manner you have to find this one. So I hope you completed this one also. Now question number 5th. 5th is very easy. So question number 6th. If angle A and angle B are an equal angle such that cos A is equal to cos B, then angle A is equal to angle B. So see this question. Question number 6. Okay. So 6th one is angle A and B are equal angles such that cos A is equal to cos B, then so that angle A is equal to angle B. Okay. So we consider a right angle triangle. A, B and C, which is right angle at C. Now A and B are an acute angle, so no problem. This is an acute angle, and now angle A is equal to angle cos A is equal to cos B. So if we find cos A, this is perpendicular, sorry, base upon hypotenuse. So this is A. So base is AC and this is hypotenuse. So AC upon AB. Okay. And then cos B, this is nothing but B. B is this. So this is now base. So BC upon AB. AB. Okay. Okay. Now since it is given that cos A is equals to cos B, so this is nothing but AC upon AB is equal to BC upon AB. So AB cancelled out, AC is equal to BC, and you know in a triangle these two sides are equal, then angle opposite to these two sides are also equal, hence angle A is equal to angle B. Understood? Simply we can write it, and then given that cos A is equals to cos B, then we calculate this one. AB cancel, AC is equal to BC, and you know very well by the geometry, if in a triangle two sides are equal, then angles opposite to these two sides must be equal. So note it down. So I hope you have completed this one also. Now next question is question number 7. Question number 7, this is also an easy question. Question number 7. If cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, if cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, then evaluate 1 plus sine theta 1 minus sine theta divided by 1 plus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta. So this one you know very well, 1 minus sine square theta divided by 1 minus cos square theta. Actually, if you know the identity, then easily you can solve this question. But at that particular time, you didn't know the ID. That's why I am going to solve by a proper method. So cot theta is equals to, so ABC, this is the triangle. Suppose this is theta. So cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. So cot theta is nothing but base upon perpendicular. So this is AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. So this is 8 square plus 7 square is equal to AC square. So AC square is nothing but 64 plus 49, you know very well. This is 9, 4, 13, and this is whole 4, 6, 10 and 1. 11, 130 AC square. So AC is what? Square root of 113. Now you find sine theta and cos theta and put the values here. you will get the answer. Okay. And if you know the identity, then simply you can write it as cos square theta. This is sin square theta. Then again it is cot square theta. And then 7/8 whole square. So in this manner, up to question number 7, I have completed. So rest of the question, that means 2 or 3 questions remains there. This is homework for you. So please try to solve these particular question. And if you have any problem in this exercise, please write in comment box which question you want to ask. So thank you for today. Thank you very much. And next topic is our trigonometric ratios of some specific angle. This will we see in the next lecture.